My name is Jurie Hwang from KoreaBio. KoreaBio stands for Korea Bio Industry Organization. I think Korea is very well known for its hospital per capita, and we're the biggest city, the #1 city of clinical trial here. Besides being a manufacturing strong country, we're also a very strong platform technology country, and we not only have those platform and manufacturing capabilities, but we're a very good service provider. Well, our competitive advantage in Korea lies in the service providing sector, not just the downstream manufacturing, but also we are developing more strong processes in the upstream cycle. On Sunday, coincidentally, Samsung Biologics actually let out a press release that they're starting a CRO service, which we are really good at because we have the hospital per capita #1. We're the #1 city for clinical trials, and we're really proud to showcase our service providers here at Bio, and which we have the biggest national pavilion here at Bio this year in 2025.